Okay, so alright, today we will be having our part 2 of the state of plane stresses. So we have the pressure tank shown has a diameter of 600 mm and the thickness is 6 mm. The pressure of the gas in the tank is 800 kilopascal. Compute the maximum tensile stress in the tank wall. So, yan know. And number 2 naman, say, compute the maximum shearing stress in megapascal at the surface of the tank. So, magkaiba yung tank wall at saka surface. Okay? Magkaiba yan. So, ganito yung tank natin. Yung ating, yes, that our tank. Meron tayong diameter, 600 mm, and the thickness is 6 mm. And meron tayong pressure sa loob. Okay, so, ito yung mangyayari dyan. We have this is thin-walled vessel. Okay, this is a thin-walled vessel. Meron tayo ditong ganyan, parang sa thin-walled. Ito yung magiging shearing or stress diagram natin. This is the longitudinal. Longitudinal kasi parallel dito sa ating length or sa ating height. Tapos ito yung ating magiging tangential stress. Okay, so ganun yung ating magiging sa okay. Yan. Okay, so compute the maximum tensile stress. What is the tensile stress here? The tensile stress, kasi siyempre on the tank, we will have the value or the formula for the tangential stress. So ito yung pinakamalaking value na makukuha natin. So yung P natin, sinubstitute na lang natin, that is 800 kilopascal, kinumpit natin into 0.8 kasi para maging megapascal na yung ating magiging sagot. And for the longitudinal stress naman, that is 20. So ibig sabihin, sasagot tayo dito ng 40. So ito yung pinakamalaking tensile stress. Ito yung pinakamalaking value niya. So that's why 40 yung ating isasagot. Okay? Okay, so ganito yung kanyang magiging stress diagram. Ito, ilalagay natin dito, ano? Parang ganyan lang din siya. So this is a tangential, yung ating this is a tangential, longitudinal, ating x. Kasi along ito, y-axis, ito x-axis. So yung longitudinal natin is nandito along x-axis. So ganito yung mangyayari. 20 and then 0. Kasi ito, ganito kasi yan eh. This is the normal stress and then this is the shearing stress. Okay? Ganyan yung magiging coordinates niya eh. Okay, so I hope you get it, ano? I hope nakuha nyo yan. Okay, so dito naman, ipalat natin sa sum or circle. Kasi dito madali. Ito madaling computing yung maximum tensile stress. Ang problema natin, the shearing stress at the surface of this point, at this surface. Diba? The shearing stress dyan. Okay. So, ganito. Ipa-plot natin yan by the Mohr circle. So, given tayo dito 20 and 0. So, 20 along this. Kasi ito yan, di ba? Ito yung ating magiging axis. So, andyan yung 20 natin. 20. Lagay natin dyan. At saka, yung tangential natin, that is 40. Yung 40 natin, that is our tangential. Along y-axis naman. So, ganito din. This is also the normal stress and then the shearing stress. Yung shearing stress natin, nandito 40 and then yung tau natin or the shearing stress is 0. So, andito lang siya. Yan. Okay, that is our y. That is 40. Okay? 40 siya. Tapos, ilalagay natin, gagawa tayo ng circle. Ayun. May circle tayong binuo, no? Yun. Gagawa tayo ng circle. Yan. Okay, so, kaya, in this position or in this diagram of the Mohr circle, yung 40 natin, ito. Diba? Okay, from this point hanggang dito, that is what we call the, ano siya, maximum shearing, maximum normal. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, from this axis, papunta doon, this is a tensile. From this axis naman, papuntang to the left, that is compression side. So, ibig sabihin, mga negative value yung nandito. Yung mga negative na tao, hindi, negative value. Pwede ka rin magsagot dito in terms of negative. Pag malaki yung kanyang magiging normal stress. Kasi it's either, kasi yung normal stress naman is pwede siya maging positive or pwede maging tensile, pwede maging compression. Pwede naman, both sides. It's either of the two, kung saan ang pinakamalaki mong value. Okay? So, ganun lang naman siya. Okay, so, this is your maximum. Okay? Ito yung maximum value, yung maximum shearing stress mo from this point out. Okay, so ibig sabihin, once na makuha mo yung diameter nito, tapos madali mo nang masolve yung radius. That is the radius also, di ba? That is R. That is your shearing stress, maximum shearing stress. Ngayon, is madali mo na siyang masosolve kasi alam mo na, ito 40, wala dito is 20. Ibig sabihin, 20 ito, diameter. And half of that is 10. And that is your maximum shearing stress. Okay? I hope you nakuha nyo, nasundan nyo, ha? Okay, so, same problem. Same problem, kaya lang may additional tayo. May additional. Nagpadagdag kasi si, may padagdag dyan eh. Basta, wag na nating pangalanan. Okay, so, ganito. Winilding. Winilding. Nagkaroon dito ng welding. Yan. At that angle is 40. Yung angle niya na, okay? So, ganito naman yung tanong niya. Compute daw the shearing, the normal stress and the parallel stress to the weld. So, normal to the weld, stress, normal to the weld and stress parallel to the weld. So, ito normal stress. Ito magiging shearing stress, that is parallel. Parallel to kasi, that is shearing stress. Kasi parallel, okay? Ganito naman siya in terms of, magkakaroon siya dito ng 40 degree. Yan. Ipa-plot natin yan sa Morse circle, ganito. Theta yan, magiging 2 theta. So, magiging 80. Diba? Magiging 80 yan, 80. Theta eh. 40. So, ngayon is, sabi natin, is from x-axis, yung rotation niya is 40 degree. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, ba? Counterclockwise. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa Morse circle, itong 40 mo, magiging 80. Magiging times 2. So, iikot ito. Kung ano yung ikot niya dito, ganun din yung magiging ikot niya dito. Kung counterclockwise, iikot ito ng counterclockwise. Ganito. Ikot siya ng counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Pero hindi dyan. Doon tayo sa kabila. Sa kabilang ibayo. Ayun. Doon pala. Okay, so ito yung ating magiging, kasi ito magiging value yan is in terms of plane AE na yan. Plane A. Okay, ganun na niya siya. So, this would be in terms of A lang, wala namang problema dyan kung anong yung ilagay mo dyan. Walang malis siya. Huwag mo lang lagyan ng malis siya. Charot. So, ganito lang, Kasi ito naman yung magiging shearing stress mo. Shearing stress mo to the weld, ha? To the weld na yan. Kasi ito, weld na yan. Kasi i-plinat na natin yan in terms of our stress diagram. Okay, so that is also 80. So we have R. Our R is 10. So dito madali, 10 sin 80. Tapos ito naman is ito. madali na. So, kayo na magbahala mag-compute nito. Wala naman tayong choices dito. Anyways, kahit may choices naman, madali mo nang masusundan. Kasi yung QA natin, yung ano natin dito, yung stress dito is, kasi yung ano natin is 30. 30 ito eh. Diba? 30. Kasi meron tayo ito, 10. 10 ito, diba? 10. Kasi yung radius natin, this is also radius. So, meron tayong 30. Tapos, ito yung kinocompute natin lang, 10, that is 10 cosine 80. Diba? Kaya 30 plus 10 cosine 80. Ito, ganito lang siya. Kasi meron lang tayong 10 sine 80. Okay? I hope na nakasundan nyo tong problem na ito.